So I'm in need of a bit of recovery. And now, I would say I'm the master of recovery. Whether it be yoga, stretching, mobility work. And I know what you're thinking. Oh, he's probably just heading down to the ice bath and, jump in the sauna and whatnot. But I'm gonna go to the next best thing. Actually, I'm gonna say it's even a little bit better because it's free. Now, you're probably thinking, what is he gonna do that's free? That involves recovery. I'm gonna show you guys. It's probably one of my favorite spots to go to on a Sunday. Even on a Saturday, any day of the week, it's beautiful to go to. So, it's about 20 minutes away. I'm not going to film the whole way there, but we'll get going once we arrive. Alright, let's get it. Quick little stop at the Petty Station. This place, I know it's always a little bit more expensive here. I don't know if anyone has the same feeling towards their servo station, but it's like I've got a genuine connection with the people there, and I enjoy coming here to get whatever little bits of, or little snacks or munchies I want. Successful stop at the servo. Some on sale meat sticks. Alright, on with the adventure. This is so good. What the fuck? There was like some Eshe looking lad just walking in the middle of the road just then, and I looked in the rear vision mirror and he just turned around on the road and started like bussing or jogging, I don't know, jumping around on the spot. Like, what the fuck? We've just arrived. There's a heap of cars here. As you can see, it's been raining a fair bit today. Kind of feeling like Bali at the moment. Rains, sun comes out, gets real steamy. Even right now it's pretty steamy. And then gets a heap sunny, rains again, gets sunny, rains again. It's been a funny day like that today. Have a crack at this though. This is straight up one of my favorite places to come to. Like, anytime the body, or like you're feeling tired, you're feeling sore, or even if you're just feeling rattled mentally, coming out here sorts you out. The water's a little bit fresher than the ocean, or just even the general water. The air's a bit cooler, it's cleaner. Seeing a few people walking down, smiles all around. It's pretty nice vibes here. Always beautiful. How was it, man? Beautiful? Nice. What else could you say to it? Like, look where we are. Oh, coming up to it. How are you guys? Hi. It is pumping today. How good. Alright, look where we're heading down to. It is pumping today. Alright, don't slip over in front of everyone. Don't slip over in front of everyone. It's so wet. Alright, let's get in there. It's pretty cold. This game changer. And you know what? It's free! How's that, lad? Out of nowhere. I hope there's no water droplets all over this camera. I don't even know if you guys can hear me well. What a life. Like, honestly, I am so thankful and like just in awe of every single day of my life, man. Like, I am truly living the dream. Nature's Ice Park, baby! One more time. Maybe two more times. What a spot. Man, I'm honestly living my dream life. Like, every single day I'm just blown away. Absolutely blown away. Like, I honestly love my life. Like, I honestly love my life. I am living the dream. Guy, max relaxing. Absolutely chilling. So relaxed right now. Let's go in one more time and then get out of here. Alright, time to get out of here. What a beautiful way to end the day. It's Sunday, probably about 6:30. Oh, amazing. Absolutely amazing. Honestly, feels so blessed, and the body feels amazing right now. Oh. There you go. Nature's Recovery Center, and it's free. How is this? 50 million years ago. Immersing yourself in water that is running over volcanic rock. You're kidding me. You're absolutely kidding me. Last stop. Last stop before we get home. I love you, water filter machine.